Hey everyone, this is Mommy. Today I'm gonna share this bold gold highlighted brown black smoky eye with you all. This is an Arabic folk style sexy eye makeup traditionally used in Bengali brides. I have simplified the application so that you can easily create this beautiful eye makeup after watching this video. So without any further delay, I'm starting with Maybelline Colossal Kajal and I'm filling my lower eyelid with this. Whenever we apply any bold kajal makeup look, it doesn't stay long, starts smudging within 2 to 3 hours, but we will make it stay for 10 to 12 hours along with professional makeup techniques that I will teach you today. So stay till the end for all tips and tricks. After filling the lower eyelid completely, we will increase the staying power of the kajal with Inglot AMC gel eyeliner and we will apply it with a small flat eyeshadow blending brush. After covering the whole kajal with gel eyeliner, I am using a 00 eyeliner brush for a precise upward wing. To make it even more long lasting, we will lock and set the pair of kajal and the eyeliner with a black eyeshadow. And I'm smudging on the wing so that it can be more dramatic and beautiful. Don't worry about the fallouts. I'm showing you here another technique to get rid of the fallouts. For this, just take a full coverage matte concealer and hide the fallouts. Make sure you blend it carefully without teasing the kajal. Now I'm again applying Inglot gel eyeliner on the inner corner of my upper eyelid and joining the line with lower eyelid. I'm also applying the eyeliner on the inner part of my upper eyelid. This is not a mandatory part. If you have small eyes, you can skip this. Now I'm using a very beautiful peach brown shade from my New York Absolute Pro palette and I'm applying it on my whole eyelid and also on my transition area and blending it well with a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. And after that, I'm smudging the gel eyeliner on my upper eyelid with my fingers. If it's not well spread, then you can use a tiny amount of gel eyeliner again and smudge it. Now I'm taking a very beautiful peachy golden shimmer shade on my fingertip and applying it on my upper eyelid just to decrease the smoky effect a bit and make it a semi-matte eyeshadow. After applying it, I am brushing the excess eyeshadow with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. All the brush details are available in the video description box. You can check it. I am using eyeliner to draw a narrow line on upper eyelid and also define the wing a bit more. The next step is a golden eyeliner and I am using it to highlight the upper eyelid and also the black eyeliner. After highlighting and all, here is the last step of my eye makeup video and this is mascara, and applying mascara is very important because it enhances our look so much. And here the look completes. I hope you get this video really helpful. If yes, then please type yes in the comment section, like and share this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Goodbye.